Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Sherwood. I'm going to be showing you how to access Clever from home. You can begin at the Tarrytown Technology page and go down and click on Clever here, or you can go to www.clever.com. When the page opens, click Log in as a student. Here you can type in Morse and then scroll down just a few until you see W.L. Morse School, Tarrytown Union Free School District. Click there, then you can choose Login with Google. The username and password is on the inside of your take-home folder. Enter your username followed by students@students.tufsd.org and click Next. Here you will enter your password and then click Next. When Clever opens, you will click on our class page, and here you will be able to access all of the programs we've used in class. All students can access any of these programs except Imagine Language and Literacy, which is to a limited number of students. If you need help with any of these websites or any passwords or usernames, please feel free to message me on Remind. I hope this has been helpful. Be safe, be healthy, and I can't wait to see you.